It's been estimated that 10% of all deaths in the United States are due to medical errors. However, if a patient is injured during a medical procedure, how can he or she make a case for negligence? The patient is likely sedated, and medical personnel in the operating room might be less than forthcoming. This is where the doctrine of res ipsa loquitur, meaning, quote, the thing speaks for itself, unquote, comes in, as shown in Kambat versus St. Francis Hospital. Dr. Ralph Sperrazza conducted a hysterectomy on Florence Fenzel at St. Francis Hospital. Florence was sedated throughout the procedure. During the procedure, Dr. Sperrazza placed several laparotomy pads next to her bowel. The procedure appeared to be successful. Several months later, Florence complained of stomach pain. Florence was x-rayed at another hospital, and a foreign object was seen in her abdomen. Dr. Robert Barone then removed an 18 by 18-inch laparotomy pad from inside Florence's bowel. The hospital was so surprised that a photographer was actually brought in to document the removal. Florence died shortly thereafter. Florence's executor, Janet Kambat, sued Dr. Sperrazza and the hospital for malpractice. At trial, Kambat provided evidence that the pad was similar to the ones used during Florence's hysterectomy, that such pads were only used in operating rooms, and that the pad likely killed Florence. Sperrazza and the hospital provided evidence that all of the pads used during the hysterectomy were properly accounted for, but such pads were often left in places accessible to patients. Sperrazza and the hospital argued that Florence likely found a pad and swallowed the pad due to depression. Expert witnesses for Kambat countered that it would be anatomically impossible to swallow a pad and have it reach a person's bowel. Ultimately, the trial court denied Kambat's request that the jury be given an instruction on res ipsa loquitur, and the jury found in favor of Sperrazza and the hospital. The appellate division affirmed, and Kambat appealed to the New York Court of Appeals.